Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset Intercom account security, full guide step by step clearly. To reset your Intercom account security, start by navigating to the Intercom login page. Enter your email address associated with the account. Click on the Forgot Your Password link below the password entry field. You will receive an email with a reset link. Check your email inbox for the password reset email. If you don't see it, be sure to check your spam or junk folder. Click on the password reset link provided in the email. You will be redirected to a page where you can enter a new password. Choose a strong password that meets the security requirements. Confirm your new password by typing it again in the designated field. Click on the Reset Password button to finalize the process. Once your password is reset, you can log in using your email and new password. For added security, consider enabling two-factor authentication. Navigate to your account settings after logging in. Locate the two-factor authentication option and select it. Follow the prompts to set up two-factor authentication using your preferred method. Save your changes and log out of your account. Log back in to test your new password in two-factor authentication setup. You have successfully reset your Intercom account security. Make sure to keep your login credentials secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.